And now your 13 News Now weather forecast, certified most accurate in Hampton Roads.
Crazy weather coming up, some big swings both up and down. Tomorrow, 60 degrees for the high, actually 61. And then within about 12 hours, we're going to have some snow, I think, mixed in across parts of the region. And that's not the only one. We have a similar situation potentially coming up Sunday night into Monday morning, then a couple of weak clipper systems next week. So we're in a pattern where we're going to have at least a threat of a light little snowfall every once in a while, sort of like we had the other day. So let's take a look right now. There's nothing on radar. We're looking at mainly clear to partly cloudy conditions. Right now, it's officially mainly clear. In fact, at the airport, you can see the temperature 35, though. It was 34 last hour. 33 a couple of hours before that. We had talked about that brisk wind out of the south or south-southwest starting to keep a cap on how low we go and actually raise temperatures during the overnight. And we're already seeing that. So we've probably already reached our low, which was 32 tonight. Now it's just going to be partly cloudy, still quite breezy and cold, but these readings are gradually starting to come up. All of these, if you were watching me at 6 o'clock, they are very similar numbers to what we saw even then. So they haven't changed much, won't change much overnight. They might even go up a couple of degrees more by morning. Nothing like this morning. Look at these lows down near 20 for the inland areas. Most of us, even near the water, that is obviously not correct. That's not a typo there. Let me go back and show you that. 7 in Currituck is not right. I don't put these numbers in. They come directly from the sensors. Obviously, that one is messed up. Everybody in the 20s this morning. So tonight, nothing like that, staying generally in the lower to mid 30s. And then tomorrow, pretty quickly, once the sun comes up with a little bit of dim sunshine, already into the 40s by the end of rush hour, late in the day up near 60 out ahead of this front. Actually, 2 fronts sort of putting the double squeeze on the atmosphere. That'll bring us up, as we said, to near 60. Then the fronts go through. We drop the temperatures with some showers moving in Thursday night, some rain around early in the morning, or at least some scattered showers early Friday. And then as the cold air comes in, we're going to be above freezing. We will have had the rain the night before. The ground is warm up near 60 tomorrow. So if we get a few hours of snow like we did the other day, wouldn't expect it to be any big deal. It's probably going to be more like a brief mix. High pressure then settles in, gives us a cold northerly breeze again, drops those readings some during the day on Saturday. So here's the forecast tonight, 32. We've already reached it. We'll see pretty steady temperatures now overnight in the low to mid 30s. And then tomorrow, 61. No chance of rain early, 20% chance by late in the day, increasing risk Thursday night. And then still a 40% chance of a little bit of a mix early on Friday. The high, by the way, Friday is Thursday night at midnight, 52, but 42 during the daylight hours as temperatures fall into the 30s late in the day. 39 Saturday. We start to warm up next week.
All right, thanks, Jeff.
Thank you.